Ito na lang siguro, sir. So what was filed?
We filed a complaint for cyber libel.
Your client Enrique Razon versus...
Congressman Barzaga.
Okay, what was the basis of the complaint?
The basis was the Facebook posts which Congressman Barzaga made on his Facebook account last January 9th.
What were the allegations that prompted your client to file a complaint?
No, I will not repeat the. I will not
Okay.
repeat what we consider to be the defamatory statements.
Ano ko yan?
What may be his evidences na nag-post siya ng ganon against the NUP?
I don't know. I don't know his motives behind that. You'll have to ask him.
Sir, may mga evidence daw siya na ipapresent pagbalik niya ng Kamara.
Ang sabi niya.
How do you plan to respond to that? Dun sa binabanggit niya na he'll present evidence supposedly.
No, we haven't seen the evidence, and the basis of this complaint of ours is precisely, our position that what he said was false and malicious.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, sige.